I forgot so much we are supposed to do, so. You have to start with.
If I did this, my stomach will be paining me. I started already.
Let's go with. Normal. So much you. Oh, what to sing? So this one, are you sending it to one another or are you sending it to the audience?
One another.
Ah, okay. Like each other, what time? So much you. What to sing? Me who you? Okay, I don't think we can start with this because the way we're actually coming in is very.
I'm sleeping. Let's go by what you guys. What you guys did was actually perfect.
Get away. But I don't know working. It's so funny for me. Okay, so they know where. But I know working. Me ufi. But no he ni ufi. Me free doma. Doma. So free doma hin grow. Doma hin grow. Be na what to say. Be ho ye o. Okwa she abema me why. You might me crew. Then we like hold hands and like come in front. The Bono S region is basically a small part of the Brongahafo, the civilization of the Brongahafo region, and which is part of the Asian Akan tradition. They are much more known, or they are very much known for their agricultural lifestyle as well as their yam-based cuisines. A lot of yam-based, as well as their yam-based cuisines, a lot of, including maybe the Barreto. Okay, that's one of them. The Barreto.
Oh, it's from Brynna. Barreto is from Brynna.
It's not. I don't know whether it's from Brynna, but like because they say yam-based cuisines, they eat a lot of things that are yam. Yeah, they also eat a lot of fufu. So like fufu with bunum kwang, fufu with cutting kwang. What's light soup in tree? Fufu with kanya and kwang. But in cutting coin is granite. Ibunubunum coin is probably like the green one, right? Contumring. Then fufu with in cutting coin, fufu with. What other soup is like there? Like, what's palm nut soup? Abem coin. Oh,
that's what you wanted to say.
Yeah, I think that's what I wanted to say. Like fufu with. Should I say fufu with abem coin? Should I mix the tree with the English, or should I say fufu with granite soup? Fufu with light soup.
Sure. It's in the bono. That will make it nice.
Yeah. Oh, such as fufu. So many delicacies we feel like fufu with
I know you're telling us to
like fufu with abem coin, fufu with ebunubuno, fufu with lapewa. No lapewa. You know what this thing is? Face the wall. Kukonte. Fufu with ebunubuno, fufu with abem coin, fufu with nkatin coin. I want to talk about agricultural background. I'll just like expatiate on those later, but then she come and be like, there are tourist attractions like the FEMA Monkey Sanctuary and the Kintampo Falls, and they are also known for their, their royal customs. Currently, they are celebrating their Yam Festival, and their pour dance is what they do. And their pour dance is a typical dance they do during their Yam Festival. Watch as we demonstrate. And back.
I'm sure the rest people saying that watch us to demonstrate back.
Is that?
I'm sure the rest people saying that watch us to demonstrate back.
Really? Why? Anyway, I'm not even kidding. I'm not hearing you. If you don't mind, I'm so if you don't mind him crew. Hey, don't mind him crew. So it's one. Do you like? Is it just you guys or the other people? Like when you enter, are there, or like are there the third? Are just production? You're getting angry. Why? Angry. Why? Because of the two. It's today. That's the crazy thing. But you're gonna be fine. Let me go wash it for you. You feel like it's what? Bonone walking, you'll be fine, bro. Are you okay if I call you bro?
Yeah. I'm dressed up.
Okay. I had a girl sometime back here.
I had a guy too. When I said bro, he's like, who's your bro?
Like she was so pissed. I don't know why. Like, it's not that deep. It's really not that deep. All right, baby. You're welcome.
I didn't even conclude.
Okay. But why would you even think that in the first place when person could have been listening in the first place? Okay.
Where's my billet?
I'm missing.
After a random, they try coming down. My girl, never you so bad. I need to like and things. But you really baby. I'm still talking to someone else. No, I can't really start talking to someone else.
So I should start talking to someone. It's not even 11 o'clock now. I've been making decisions for me. I'm not in the mood to have that conversation now because I'm not really feeling well.
But I'm just letting you know.
You're a big girl. I'm not waiting for you to be in a relationship with me. First off,
It was smelling like that.
Chris Curry. When it's out there, how would you know? But I think to know
On your flat, you're insulting someone. When I said you literally put the pillow like the way like on me like making it look like yo like.
yeah, that's the whole boy. Take your own decision. Take it out, you try to be happy. That's the whole point. Take your decision. Bodies. Pose for me.
That's not a shape. That's you. Hey.
Body.
So no, you don't like my love.
You kill you. You don't piss on this boy.
I'm saying that like underwear.
No, I can't
Take your time, try and be happy.
Let's mind box.
For when I don't need this, I'm just saying for when I wear dress.
Somebody have to do it. I'm weary. I am moving. No, don't first. Ever cut on first,
Body. Big
baby.
legs. But this one she's fighting.
They'll do the video. I want to do a video if I came.
Hey, so very much. You watch bodies? No.
You watch bodies? You watch bodies?
Who doesn't? Like almost every girl does. No.
She where she did.
For real?
She where she did do this. She dey give me a spoiler. I
I said when we go home, I'll put him on.
The best one.
Oh, so every girl does.
A lot of girls. Like, it's quite popular.
Who's your favorite?
I have a favorite. Don't just do bad boys.
Hey,
Let me
the
watch
God
her
boy
laugh.
is serious.
Let me watch her
Is
laugh.
it that interesting?
What's going on here? Hey, what is this?
so she don't break my neck.
Slap him.
So why are you doing like you're doing like this?
Now I'm tired of you. Sweetheart,
Who is the prettiest?
my darling. My darling. What's the name? Hey.
Trebega.
PMS.
Are you done?
Yes.
How did you do it?
If you sit like left in the
The upper west people, the upper east, upper east, people, they Yes, I'm coming.
Energy. Where's my people? No, they never leave you. I'm going to sleep. When I come back, I'll mention the name for you. Gatrebe. Put that in my mouth.
Good.
Hey, Eddie, you don't let sleep. Don't mind now. Yes, you don't see bed.